Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In the lower right corner of the application window, you will see the zoom slider in Publisher. You can use this to change the magnification level of the pages in your publication. This does not modify the publication in any way, but rather changes your perception of how close or far away the pages in your publication appear on screen. Click and drag the zoom slider left towards the minus symbol to shrink the magnification level, which appears as a percentage to the right of the zoom slider. Click and drag the slider to the right or towards the plus sign to increase the magnification level. You can also directly click on the small plus and minus signs to decrease and increase the magnification levels by 10% each time you click. You can also change the magnification by clicking the View tab in the ribbon and then clicking the buttons that appear in the Zoom button group. In the Zoom button group, select the desired zoom level by choosing an option from the Zoom drop-down button or by entering a value directly into the Zoom text box. Click the 100% button to change the magnification level to 100% of the normal size. Click the Whole Page button to change the magnification level to fit the whole page in the window. Click the Page Width button to fit the width of the page to the width of the window. If you have an object selected within the publication, you can click the Selected Objects button to magnify the publication so that the selected objects will fill the entire window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.